Welcome back to another enlightening episode of our exploration through the world of intermittent fasting. In today's discussion, we venture into a topic that resonates deeply with us all: intermittent fasting and mental well-being. Join us as we embark on a journey to examine how fasting influences mental health and emotional balance, uncovering insights into the potential impact on our inner world. The mind-body connection. The intricate interplay between physical health and mental well-being is a cornerstone of holistic wellness. Intermittent fasting introduces a unique perspective, as it has the potential to influence not only our bodies, but also our minds. Balancing neurotransmitters research suggests that intermittent fasting might influence neurotransmitter activity in the brain. Neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine play pivotal roles in mood regulation and emotional balance. Enhanced brain function fasting triggers processes like autophagy, which removes cellular waste and supports brain health. This cellular cleanup might contribute to cognitive clarity and improved mental function. Stress resilience and adaptation. Intermittent fasting could enhance the body's stress response and adaptation mechanisms. This heightened resilience might positively impact how we cope with stressors, fostering emotional well-being. Hormonal impact fasting can influence hormones like cortisol, which is linked to stress. By modulating hormone levels, intermittent fasting might contribute to a more balanced stress response. Mindful eating practices. Intermittent fasting encourages mindful eating during eating windows. This mindfulness fosters a deeper connection with our food and our body's signals, potentially promoting a more positive relationship with eating. Gut-brain axis. Influence. Intermittent fasting's potential impact on the gut microbiome might indirectly influence mental health. The gut-brain axis plays a role in mood regulation and emotional states. Energy levels and mood-stabilizing blood sugar levels through intermittent fasting may help prevent energy crashes and mood fluctuations, contributing to a more consistent and balanced emotional state. Community and support. Intermittent fasting communities provide a space for individuals to connect, share experiences, and offer support. Building a sense of community can positively impact mental well-being. Consultation with mental health professionals. For those with existing mental health concerns, consulting mental health professionals is essential before incorporating intermittent fasting. Medical guidance ensures that fasting aligns with individual needs. Mindfulness and meditation. Incorporating mindfulness practices and meditation into your fasting routine can enhance emotional balance and cultivate a sense of calm and presence. Comprehensive wellness. Remember that mental well-being is multifaceted. Alongside intermittent fasting, prioritize other practices that support emotional health, such as physical activity, social connections, and self-care. Educating about mental health. Promote awareness about the potential relationship between intermittent fasting and mental well-being. Encourage individuals to make informed choices that prioritize emotional balance. Empowerment through self-care. Empower yourself with the knowledge that nourishing your mental well-being is as important as nurturing your physical health. Prioritize self-care practices that resonate with your emotional needs. In conclusion, the exploration of intermittent fasting and mental well-being invites us to recognize the intricate dance between our bodies and our minds. As we navigate this journey, let us embrace practices that promote emotional harmony and inner resilience. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking voyage. Stay tuned for more insightful insights into intermittent fasting and its profound implications. Until next time, let us nourish our minds and hearts, creating a tapestry of well-being that weaves together the threads of physical vitality and emotional serenity.